to run some errands this afternoon, y'all. I put on this jacket, but I probably don't really need it today. But you just never know. Yesterday you did, today you don't. So yeah, I gotta go a few places to run some errands. Then we're gonna go to the car wash because this van desperately needs to be washed and vacuumed and smells. And we're saving the fun part for last. We're going to Dollar General. Y'all told me they have some new dolly stuff in there, and we're gonna see what they have going on for spring. I also kind of want to go to the farmer's market, but I think we'll wait until later to go to the farmer's market, maybe this weekend.
My favorite eating place.
They've got the little pools out. Oh, that's a bigger one. This is a newer Dollar General. It hadn't been here too long. No, that's lemonade. They have a huge refrigerator and freezer section here. Y'all are right. Here's the dolly stuff. It's pretty. Oh, coffee stirrers. That's cute. Straws. What is that? Just a canister?
Oh.
Yeah, that's just a little dolly canister with a butterfly. And then this basket's pretty. Metal cup basket is $5. Bag clips, dish drying mat. There's some of the little coffee spoons. Oh look, they even have a dolly frother. $5 for that. Oh, those are pretty salt and pepper shakers right there too. $3. There's another canister. Oh, and they have blue of the placemats too. It's a dolly. Oh, it's a powdered sugar shaker. That's cute. Dishcloths and kitchen towels. Oh, here's some of these coffee spoons too. Tea kettle. And then a big picture of Dolly. Got some Easter egg hunt sign and a Happy Easter carrot back there. Those are $1, I think. Yeah, $1. These kitchen towels are pretty. Welcome to our patch. Hello Spring and Happy Easter. Those are cute. Oh look, those are cute. That say love with the carrot as the V and hop. Those are cute. They are $3.50. Look. Some little crafts for $1. Oh, here's some sun catchers. That's pretty. They have Dunkin' chocolate egg, brownie batter, cream filled. They've got some pretty baskets. How much are these? The little ones are $6 and the big ones are $8. Those are pretty. These are pretty. Willow Spring. They have little things hanging, like this one says blessed, this one says love, family. Welcome. They're $5. I eat cake because it's somebody's birthday somewhere. Seeds and sunshine, cream and sugar things. Those are pretty. Oh look, they have Ray Dunn stuff here. Is that the only one they have? Yeah, I think it just says serve. Yeah, that's cute. These are cute pot holders. Some chickens. Bless this kitchen. Farmhouse. The farmhouse. Alright y'all, we are back home. We're gonna make strawberry cobbler to have for dessert tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and get it made and cooked before I start supper. So we're just gonna chop up some strawberries. Okay, so I've got a little bit more than half a stick of butter in the oven now in that casserole dish, so it can melt while we mix up the rest of the stuff. I put in 1 cup of self-rising flour, and we're just gonna put half a cup of sugar because the strawberry juice that we're gonna put with these strawberries is already sweet. So normally with this cobbler recipe, it's a cup of everything, but we're doing it a little different this time. Whisk those two together. Now we just need a cup of milk in here. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Now when the butter melts, we'll just pour this over the top of the butter. We don't have to stir it. And then we'll mix the strawberry juice with the strawberries. I'll go ahead and do that now. This was just from a bag of frozen ones, but these are really sweet. They don't have sugar in them, but it tastes like they do. That's how sweet the juice is, so we're just gonna use that, mix with our strawberries. The butter's just about melted, so we'll bring that over, and I'm just going to take my little brush and go around on the sides just a little bit. It's going to spread up there anyway when we pour everything on top, but we're pouring in the flour and milk mixture. Now we just put the strawberries. Only 2 today. Wonderful, y'all. Put you some ice cream on there, whipped cream. You can use any kind of fruit with this cobbler. You can use canned fruit, fresh fruit. It all works. It's all great. If you use canned fruit, you're going to have a lot of that really thick, good liquid, you know, like pie filling, cherry pie filling or strawberry pie filling, peach. We usually use peaches, but not a peach pie filling, just peaches in heavy syrup. The more liquid you have, the more of that really good, let me see if I can show y'all. Right there. See that really good cobbler breading right there? That's my favorite part. So if you want a lot of that, more liquid. Like, I probably needed double of the strawberry liquid. I mean, it's great how it is, but I would have liked double of the strawberry liquid just so there would be more of that. It's wonderful, y'all.